And the reason why I came to Wildwood was because in December, I was diagnosed with first stage rectal cancer. Hi, my name is Sharon Levy. I'm from Princeton, New Jersey. November 15th, I did have the surgery to remove the polyp, and they did a biopsy and came back first stage rectal cancer. And they wanted me to then do chemo and radiation, but I thought that is not the way that I should go. I didn't feel that that was what God wanted, because I believe more in the natural path. But I wanted to come to Wildwood because I know they do structured program, and so I wanted to make sure I was in that environment where I'm doing things, much structured than I was doing at home. Oh my goodness, the stay here at Wildwood was a little heaven on earth. The people were so friendly, very prayerful. We prayed before every treatment, we prayed before every meal. Every person basically prayed with you. And that's what I loved about it. It's very family oriented. I've never seen or heard anyone complain in the 11 days that I'm here, which is so unusual. The stay was, I feel so relaxed, I feel at peace, I feel more empowered, and I truly recommend any and everyone coming here. You don't have to wait to have an ailment or a disease. Everyone is very warm, inviting, caring. I don't even want to leave. I'm almost ready to tell my daughter, ship the rest of my clothes. That's how wonderful it is in this place. After a while, I said to the doctor here that was working with me that, oh my goodness, I have to go back to the real world. And he said, no, this is the real world. Outside is artificial, and I agree with him 100%. So I'm going to take the real world with me to empower others on how you should be living. But I think that, I'm going to just be much healthier than when I came here. And so I'm thankful to God for that, and just can't wait to share my journey with everyone. And that this place, everybody has to come. Everybody has to come.